Hi everyone, it's Ali and welcome to my YouTube channel. This is my tutorial for my spinner card that I made earlier in the week with the Tumble On stamp set from Waffle Flower, and lots of people asked for a tutorial, so here it is and I hope you enjoy it. The background is a little bit different to my other card, but I just decided to do something a little different for this one. So I've stamped out two of the little gymnasts and masked them off, and now I'm going to stamp a couple of the balance beams behind them. And I'm going to use my Heavy Doodle memo tape to mask off the top part of the card to create a wall in the background. I'm going to use one of my new stencils from Miss Ink Stamps, which is the mouse flower stencil. It's a really gorgeous little swirly flowery pattern. Very cute and detailed. And I've also used shaded lilac distress inks. Then I'm swapping over my masking so that I can do the floor section, and I've just used pumice stone. I just needed to mask off my balance beams first, which I did, and I've just used pumice stone distress oxide ink to colour the floor. And I've also put a strip of shaded lilac along the bottom as well, just to make another section for the girl to tumble along. I've used the Surf and Turf interactive dies to cut out a channel for my spinner, and then I just coloured in my images. Now I'm going to make the spinner piece, and I get a 5-cent piece, which is the smallest Australian coin, and a punch that's the same size, and I'm just going to punch out some white card and then attach that to the front of my 5-cent piece. And this is going to go behind that channel, and I want it to blend in, so I'm just going to colour it with some shaded lilac distress oxide ink as well, just to make it blend in a little more. Then I'm going to get some of my 3D foam. I've put two pieces together like so, and I'm going to punch out a circle, small circle with my hand punch, and then that's going to be my little spinner element that's going to stick to the back of the little gymnast about in her centre, and then that sticks onto the coin through the card. So the coin's at the back and the little girl's at the front. Now you need to pop up the front of your card, so I've used double layers of 3D foam to pop it up, just so the spinner does twirl freely when it's on. And you might have to twirl it a few times to get it to spin nicely. Just popping that piece behind it as well. Don't forget to stick that piece back in. It makes everything blend in a little nicer as well. And then just push that down, and then you just might need to use it a few times to get it to spin really well. So that is the process. I hope that you try a spinner card, give it a go if you haven't already tried it. And thanks so much for joining me, and thanks so much for all the likes on here and my Instagram, and I'll see you again next time.